So I'm in Chow Kit, and I think this is Malaysia's, or at least Kuala Lumpur's, best up-and-coming neighborhood. And you know that when the fancy coffee shops start coming in, and this is one of them. And of course, you know, the development is quite obvious. We have construction behind me. And if you're looking for just a vibe, you know, right behind me, you've got so many different Pakistani places. You even have a Ras Baluch, which actually used to be part of Iran, but it's run by, I believe, people from Pakistan today. So let's just go ahead and take a look here. And we'll just take a look at what's happening in Chow Kit, which used to be, believe it or not, a red light district. And before that, it was Chinatown. It's still Chinatown. And that's another reason why the vibe here is so special, because you end up in a position where now that you have a lot of the Middle Eastern or Near East immigrants having come in, and now they've got shops, you know, kedais, tokos, right next to the old Chinatown shops run by the Chinese, Malaysians. And so the vibe here is just special. And I do predict in about 5 years, this is going to be the most interesting neighborhood to visit if you like food.